I'm in Mevagissey this morning. You can probably see the sea behind me there and the seagulls in the background. I thought I'd do an updated video on a property we've got called Gwel. This is a fantastic 4/5 bedroom detached house, and as you can see, there's fantastic views. I'm standing on the decking now, enjoying the autumn sunshine, and it's certainly worth having a look. And if you've got consideration for moving to the Mevagissey area, certainly give this property a look, but get in touch with Webbers Fine and Country. Thank you.